Next, we're going to look at the median. It's another commonly used measure of central location. It's the midpoint of the values in a group after they've been ordered from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So I think of the median as the middle of the road. When you're driving down the road, there's usually a median line painted, and that's the middle of the road. So that's how I remember median. The median has the following properties. 1, there is a unique median for each set of data. 2, unlike the mean, the median is not affected by extreme values, large or small. As such, it's a valuable measure of central tendency when one-sided extreme values occur. 3, it can be computed for ratio level, interval level, and ordinal level data. And finally, it can be computed for an open-ended frequency distribution if the median does not lie in an open-ended class. So the median is often used as a measure of central tendency in lieu of the mean when one-sided extreme values in a data set are present. We recall that one of the disadvantages of the mean as a measure of location is that it is affected by one-sided extreme values. The median is not. Here are 2 examples of median. The first problem says the ages of a sample of 5 college students are 21, 25, 19, 20, and 22. Your first step is to rearrange them into ascending order. So that looks like this: 19, 20, 21, 22, 25. Now remember that the median is the midpoint or the middle number. It's easy in this case because we have an odd number. So the middle number and the median is 21. Now if we look at this next example, it's the heights of 4 basketball players in inches. So they've given them here, and the first step is to rearrange them in ascending order. What you notice here is that the middle is actually not one of our numbers. We have to calculate it. And what you're going to do to calculate it is you're going to find the mean or the average. Here you're going to find the middle of these 2 points. And we do that by adding them up, 75 plus 76 divided by 2. Use your calculator if you need to. That's why we have all these resources. And the median is 75.5. Okay, here's another example of finding a median. Facebook. Everybody knows Facebook. We can add friends, send them messages, update their personal profiles. So we're going to take a sample of 10 adults revealing that they spent the following number of hours last month using Facebook. It says find the median number of hours. So here's our information. If we go to the next slide, this is our info that they gave us. Remember, the step 1 is to sort it. So we're going to put it in ascending order. So here we have 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 9, 10, 17. Our second step is to find the median. To find the median, we're looking for the middle point. So what I like to do is I'll take my pen, and you can do this too. I will cross out. So I'd cross out the 17, then I'd cross out the 1. Whoops. Cross out the 10 and the 3, the 9 and the 3, the 9 and the 5, until I worked my way down to my 2 middle numbers, which are 5 and 7. So I take 5 and 7, 5 plus 7, divide that by 2, and I get my median, which is 6.